today's digital landscape, a great web application is only as good as its performance across different browsers and devices. Building a stunning website is just the first step. Ensuring it works everywhere is the real challenge. Developers know this pain all too well. The form doesn't submit on Safari. The layout looks off on Firefox. Why is this so slow on mobile? Playwright breaks through these barriers with a revolutionary approach. Unlike traditional testing tools, it provides a single, consistent API that works across Chromium, WebKit, and Firefox. Direct browser DevTools integration means faster, more reliable testing. Speed is crucial in modern development. Playwright's built-in test runner enables parallel execution across multiple browsers and devices. Run your entire test suite simultaneously, dramatically reducing testing time. Say goodbye to unreliable tests. The Playwright's auto-wait mechanism ensures elements are fully stable before interaction. It automatically detects dynamic UI changes, eliminating the need for manual wait statements. Playwright takes testing to the next level. Simulates slow networks, mock API responses, and even tests security vulnerabilities, all with built-in network interception capabilities. In our multi-device world, responsiveness is everything. Playwright enables comprehensive cross-device testing, including mobile emulation, touch gesture validation, and responsive design checks. From enterprise applications to e-commerce platforms, from media streaming services to complex SaaS solutions, Playwright provides the testing flexibility modern businesses demand. Let's talk about how Playwright stands out in the crowded landscape of testing tools. While other frameworks struggle with limitations, Playwright offers a comprehensive solution that addresses critical testing challenges. Selenium, the traditional go-to, requires separate WebDriver implementations for each browser, a time-consuming and complex approach. Cypress, while popular, is limited to single browser testing. Playwright, in contrast, provides a unified, powerful solution. Look at the key differences. Playwright offers built-in parallel execution, full network interception, comprehensive mobile testing, and an advanced auto-wait mechanism. It's not just a testing tool, it's a testing ecosystem that adapts to modern web development needs. Multi-browser support. Playwright covers Chromium, WebKit, Firefox, and Edge with a single, consistent API. Network simulation? Fully supported. Mobile testing? No problem. Auto-wait mechanisms? More intelligent and reliable than ever before. For development teams looking to streamline their testing process, reduce complexity, and ensure cross-browser compatibility, Playwright isn't just an option, it's the future of web testing. Cross-browser testing isn't just a checkbox, it's a critical component of delivering exceptional user experiences. Playwright doesn't just test compatibility, it future-proofs your web applications. Ready to revolutionize your testing approach? Embrace Playwright and ensure your web applications perform flawlessly, everywhere, every time.